Alright, what's up guys? Got a little project here. Just went out on a limb and purchased a little project, I guess. A little wraparound. She's the ugly one. She needs a lot of work and attention. That's it. Honda ATV 400 EX. She's a beauty. Yep. So, all right. So, guys, I just bought this thing maybe like 2 weeks ago. Found a guy on Marketplace that was selling it pretty cheap, and I pulled the trigger on it. He said it has some electrical stuff going on with it, so as you can see, definitely some electrical stuff going on. I don't know if it's... Alright guys, I'm gonna pause you right here. I got some photos I want to insert. I didn't know that the GoPro didn't get a close-up on the wires that I was trying to tell you about. So yeah, it's pretty hacked up. But let's get back to the video and finish this thing off. Yeah, he said something like he was trying to hot wire it or something. And he's got like some rigged up stuff going on, and he said it should start. But when I was looking at it, came out here the other day and looked at it, and I saw some stuff missing, valve cover bolts. Got 2 bolts missing here. That's not good. I didn't check the spark plug wire, but that thing's up in there. All right, we come to the front. We got a couple loose wires up here. Looks like headlights and ignition and whatnot. So, yep. So, there's some other stuff. Got some. Ain't looking so hot down here. This thing is pretty jacked up, but I'm gonna try to get it running again and see what I can do. I got some parts here that I'll show here soon. See if not, we can get this thing running. All right, so we got the electrical stuff here. We get to installing and stuff. Where's my chair? All right, so here, this is what we're getting ready to replace. Pretty much everything is wires from here all the way up to here. It's gonna get replaced. And I'll put you guys in a time lapse, and then we'll just get at it. So here we go. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I got the OEM Honda switch, and when I'm trying to put it on the bars, this is a tab right here. This tab is interfering with me installing it. I just looked at the original, and it also has the same tab, but it's a lot shorter. So I'm gonna cut this tab down with just a regular razor, see if I can get the same depth and make it fit. Just give me a second here. Try to cut this.
You'll see maybe 2 gaps. I mean, there's a little teeny gap right there, but
Alright. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's getting kind of dark. I got pretty far on this thing. I got the whole wire harness hooked up right now. Got to find out some stuff, mounting brackets and stuff, because I'm not sure where this bracket is or is supposed to go. And this, as you can see, this thing is hacked up. The rear grab bar is not on here. It's like been cut off or something. I got this guy on. It's loose. I mean, once I get everything situated, the wires ran the way I want it to run, I'll tighten everything down. But yeah, I got pretty much everything bolted up. I got the new starter kill switch on. As you can see, I had to modify that a bit, but like this, I don't know where these go. I'm not sure where this goes, but like I know I still got the ignition switch to hook up, but that's on the front fender, and I think these are the neutral safety switches, and this might be like the headlight, I think. But yeah, getting there. All right guys, I just came up with this idea. Forgot I had it. I think I might be about to send it though. Look at that. Oh boy. I think I might send it, guys. We got light. Let there be light. And then I got the cord we can hook back up. The extension cord. And then just hook the extension cord up. It'll reach over here, and then I could charge the light so it doesn't die. You wanna do that? Alright, go hook the extension up. I'll find the charger. And just like that. Where is the... Oh, it's on that side. Let's switch this around. Boom. Red light on. We got charge. Yeah, so it's pretty much the next day. We got some stuff done on the bike. Got pretty far, I guess you can say. Not far to me, but in reality, I did replace pretty much everything electrical on the bike. So that's one big step for mankind. Definitely got some more stuff coming. It got pretty dark and I hadn't eaten all day, so I got pretty tired and lost energy. So I stopped recording and then got some food and went straight to bed. Yeah. So I know I didn't show the stinky stink. Sorry, that's my daughter. She's like obsessed with trying to see the camera. Say hi. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated and try to get some more content out on this bike. Definitely got some more stuff that I want to do to it. We'll see what we can do with this page, this channel. Let me insert some photos of insert some photos of the bike when I first got it, and then yeah, I know you guys want to see what it looks like. It's a piece of junk, raggedy. That's it, guys. That's all you get for now until I make the next video. The next video we are going to, let's see, we'll probably finish up the electrical stuff, some mountain brackets. Pretty sure we will, hopefully by the next video I'll have the oil cooler. Probably do that this weekend. Once the oil cooler comes in, well, they stripped out the bolts on the old oil cooler, so I was gonna put oil and gas in the bike and try to get it started, just to hear it crank over at least. And I realized that they stripped out the oil cooler bolts, so if I put oil in there, then it'll probably leak out, and I don't want that. So I went ahead and ordered a oil cooler. Should be here, I don't know, hopefully by Saturday. Get this job started. At least we can get a crank over first start. If he did the engine right, I don't know. He said he replaced the gasket and put a big bore kit on it. We will see if it runs. I'm really concerned if he put the spring decompression pin in. I think I heard something like it doesn't start if you don't have that pin in, so I hope he didn't like drop it or lose it or anything. Still tried to install the engine. I noticed he did miss a few valve cover bolts, so hopefully he's not missing anything internal. You can get away with some valve cover bolts, but the internals, you can't get away with that. Everything's there for a reason. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Let's catch you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.
Damus, Chronosynchro-Logic.
I walk around your town with a knife, screaming, what is life? The first thing I see tonight, the next to catch a slice. I strike criminally evil and kill 4 people. Y'all was craving for a sequel, seen you scream too. At the preview, peeping the Illa Damus Cleveland preview.